Welcome to an afternoon at the world-famous Blackpoint Marina. This afternoon we were in the area doing some peacock bass fishing. We decided to stop by the Blackpoint Grill, have some late lunch, and then we walked down to the boat ramp to check out the action. You got it all in line. No. Alright guys, as you saw, this is a devastating situation. Poor guy lost his truck to the boat ramp. So stay safe out there, guys. Always make sure you practice some good safety measures when you're launching your boat. Make sure everything is on park and gauge, and don't go too far back on the boat ramp. Take care, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.